Welcome, discerning travelers. Are you ready to elevate your cultural experiences? In this video, we'll guide you through exploring the magnificent Totally Thames Festival in true style and comfort. Discover how to immerse yourself in this iconic London event, from exquisite dining to exclusive views, all while enjoying unparalleled luxury. This content is for anyone seeking to experience London's vibrant arts and culture scene with a touch of sophistication and ease. The Totally Thames Festival is an annual celebration of the River Thames, bringing together art, culture, and community along its iconic banks. It's a month-long extravaganza that transforms London's Riverside into a dynamic canvas of creativity and entertainment. It's a must-see for anyone wanting to experience the heart of London. At the Totally Thames Festival, you can expect an eclectic mix of events and activities. From stunning art installations to thrilling river races and captivating performances, there's something for everyone. It's a truly immersive experience that celebrates the river in all its glory. One of the festival's main attractions are the breathtaking art installations. These often large-scale, thought-provoking pieces transform familiar riverside landmarks into unexpected art spaces, offering unique photo opportunities and inspiring contemplation. The river itself becomes a vibrant stage for events. You can witness thrilling boat races, participate in guided river walks, or even take part in unique water-based activities that offer a fresh perspective on London. It's a unique way to engage with the city's lifeline. Beyond the visual arts, the festival pulsates with music and live performances. From intimate acoustic sets to grand orchestral concerts, the sound of music fills the air, creating an unforgettable atmosphere as you stroll along the Thames. You'll find talent from all corners of the world. Now, let's talk about how you can experience all this splendor with the utmost comfort and sophistication. Elevate your festival journey beyond the ordinary, making it truly memorable and stress-free. Indulge in exquisite dining experiences at Riverside restaurants, many offering special menus for the festival. From Michelin-starred establishments to charming gastropubs, savor delectable cuisine with stunning views of the Thames as your backdrop. Secure exclusive access to viewing spots that offer unparalleled perspectives of the festival's highlights. Imagine enjoying a private balcony overlooking a grand river procession or a VIP lounge with a panoramic view of a dazzling art installation. These spots provide both comfort and the best views. Navigate the festival in unique ways that add to your stylish experience. Consider a private boat charter for a personalized river tour, or utilize a dedicated chauffeur service to whisk you between events effortlessly, avoiding crowds and parking hassles. These options ensure you spend more time enjoying and less time planning. To make the most of your stylish Totally Thames experience, a little planning goes a long way. Here's how to ensure a seamless and enjoyable visit. The Totally Thames Festival typically runs throughout the month of September. Key events and installations are scattered along various locations of the River Thames, from Westminster to Greenwich. Be sure to check the official festival website for exact dates and a detailed map of all the attractions. For a truly stylish experience, book your dining reservations and exclusive viewing access well in advance. Consider comfortable yet chic footwear for walking along the riverside. And don't forget your camera to capture those unforgettable moments in style. To truly enhance your festival experience, consider booking a premium chauffeur service like London Business Travel. With a dedicated chauffeur, you can travel between venues in ultimate comfort and luxury, arriving refreshed and ready to enjoy each event without any stress. Let us handle the logistics while you soak in the atmosphere. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to explore the Totally Thames Festival in unparalleled style and comfort. It's an experience that combines London's rich culture with luxury and convenience. Book your stylish adventure today.